Hi, welcome to Google Classroom. So, in last class, we discussed the rational number. In that rational number, we discussed already how to add rational numbers, subtraction and multiplication. So, in that one, mainly we discussed about properties of addition of rational numbers, properties of subtraction of rational number, properties of multiplication of rational number. In that properties of addition of rational number, all the properties are satisfied, we learn. In subtraction, only closure property is satisfied, the rest of the other properties are not satisfied. In multiplication, again all the properties are satisfied. So, in today's class, we discuss about the properties of division of rational number. So, division of rational number. How to divide a rational number? Suppose if they are given two rational numbers, A divided by B and C divided by D, where C by D is not equal to 0. This number is not equal to 0. So, while they are given two rational number like this means, what happened? First rational number as it is, we can write A divided by B. This divide symbol convert into multiplication symbol. How? So, if you change this divide symbol into multiplication symbol, second rational number, denominator place will goes to numerator, numerator will comes to denominator, means reciprocal of C by D. So, reciprocal of C by D. Exchange the denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator. So, like this way, we are going to divide the rational numbers. So, in that one, in second is properties of division of rational number. Which are the properties are satisfied? Here also, except closure property, none of the properties are not satisfied. Associative does not exist. So, commutative not satisfied. Identity is not exist. Inverse is not exist. So, only closure property. So, while dividing two rational numbers, so again you will get one rational number. So, that is only closure property is satisfied. So, in this division, only closure property is satisfied, rest of the other properties are not satisfied. So, let's come to the problems part of division. So, I am making evaluate 1 divided by 1 by 3. So, 1 you can write as it is. This divide symbol, what happened? Convert into multiplication symbol. So, what happened in the next rational number? Here nothing is there, means 1 is there. So, 3 will go up, 1 will come down. So, here 1, 1, 1, 3 ones are 3 divided by 1. Answer is 3. So, we can easily solve by dividing rational numbers, first converting, and second rational number you can exchange denominator to numerator, numerator to denominator. In this case, minus 5 is there, nothing is there, given means denominator is 1 is there. This divide symbol is, I am changing into multiplication symbol. So what happens is, minus 11 will goes up, 10 will come down. So here you can cancel 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Minus into minus, what happened? Plus 11 into 1, 11. So divided by 2. So again it will not get cancelled. So reduce up to the simplest form. So if I am taking third problem, 3 by 1 by 3. 3 divided by 1 by 3. In the place of by, you can replace division symbol. Same step. 3 into 3 will goes up, 1 will come down. So 3 3s are 9. What is the answer? 9. So next fourth problem I am taking, minus 3 by 4 by minus 9 by 16. So you can write minus 3 by 4 as it is. In the place of by, you can replace division symbol. Minus 9 by 16. Minus 3 by 4. This divide symbol convert into multiplication. So here 16 by minus 9. Minus minus cancel. 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 4 ones are, 4 4s are. So what is the remaining answer? 4 divided by 3. So like this, we can easily convert the division symbol into multiplication, and second rational number, you can reciprocal that rational number. If you get simplified, you can make simplification, and finally you have to write the reducible answer. So in case, suppose if they are in improper fractions, we can convert into mixed fractions also. Suppose I am taking 5 1 by 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 2. You can easily convert improper fraction into proper, mixed fraction. So this is your wish. Next problem. The product of two rational numbers is minus 2. One of them is 4 by 7. Find the other. So one of the rational number they are given. So product of two rational number. We don't know the another rational number. That's why I can take you can take x. So that product must be equal to what? Minus 2. We have to find the another rational number. Just minus 2. This one, if you exchange here to RHS, means 7 will go up, 4 will come down. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So what is the answer? Minus 7 by 2. If you change to mixed fraction, means 3 1 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 minus. So like this you can change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. So otherwise you can keep as it is the answer, no problem. So in the next case, second problem, m and n are the two rational numbers such that m into n is equal to minus 25 by 9. They are given product of m into n is equal to minus 22 by 9. So they are given m value 5 by 3. We have to find n value. 5 by 3 into n 25 by 9. In the place of m, I am replacing 5 by 3 because we want to find out n value here. So again, n is equal to minus 25 by 9 into, if you change to RHS, means what happens? This will go numerator and 5 will come denominator. So 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 5 1s are, 5 5s are. So minus is there, you can put minus. 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3. That is the answer. Minus 5 by 3 is the answer. Next problem. Divide the sum of 3 by 7 minus 5 by 4 divided by minus 1 by 2. So I am converting this statement into mathematical form. So first we have to find the LCM. Plus into minus, minus 5 by 14 divided by minus 1 by 2. 7 and 14 LCM is what? 7 1s are, 7 2s are. 7 2s are, LCM is 14. If you want LCM 14 means what should be multiplied here? 2. 2 3s are 6 by 14. Here 14 already is there, nothing to change. Divided by minus 1 by 2. So first we have to do this one. 14 14. In 6 5 will goes means 1 divided by minus 1 by 2. That implies 1 by 14. Multiplication you can convert now. This will change. This is changing. 2 will go up. 1 will come in denominator place. 2 1s are, 2 7s are. What is the answer? Minus 1 by 7. Minus 1 by 7. Next problem. They are given evaluate m plus n divided by m minus n. So here m value is 2 by 3, n value is 3 by 2. First I am substituting the values in the equation. M plus n means 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2. First I am solving this bracket. So 3 and 2 LCM is 6 because 3 and 2 are different numbers, will not go by one number. Directly multiply 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 cross multiply, 3 3s are 9 divided by, here also LCM 6 cross multiply 4 minus 9. So next step, 4 plus 9, 13 by 6 divided by, in 4 minus 9 will go means minus 5 divided by 6. So you can convert now, divide by into multiplication symbol, 6 will go up, minus 5 will come down, 6 6 get cancelled. So what is the remaining? Minus 13 by 5 is the answer. So first we have to simplify this bracket. Second, you simplify, and whatever the answer you are getting, that finally you can convert this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then you can cancel, if it is possible to cancel and reduce into simplest form. So this is about division of rational numbers and properties of division of properties of rational number. So I solved some problems in exercise 1D. So remaining problems you can check in home. So check 1D exercise and complete up to classwork 1D. Thank you.